Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create the feature back to top. Back to top, this feature is basically available on all long pages. The user experience is very good, mainly to enable users to quickly back to the top and use important features such as navigation when browsing the bottom of the web page. First, let's set up the widgets. Choose the page dimension of iPhone 13. Then we make the top bar, drag in a rectangle and an image, as well as a text. Then drag in an inline frame to link to another page. Choose Toggle Border. Create a new page and name it Content. Then link the inline framework of the first page to this page. Go to the Content page. Fill the page content with rectangles. Then drag in an ellipse to create a button that back to the top. Change its style and enter top. Create it as a dynamic panel and pin it to the right bottom of the browser, adding margin values of 16. Then name the first rectangle Top Content. Next, let's add the interaction. Select the top button and add a click interaction. Scroll to Top Content and add a 200 milliseconds linear animation. Preview the prototype. When the page scrolls to the bottom, click the top button to return to the top. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.